Cause I'm the
Hello, my brothers and sisters. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are coming from. If today is your first time come across my video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification so that any day, anytime I come live or I post video, you will be the first to see. Yes, my brothers and sisters, I don't come again. So wetin I take comment again na this video when e be say I wan talk about today na this same our brother when e be say dem wanted to deport along the line e pass away. So na this boy be the person when e be say I talk say one person die for the people wey dem wan deport, wey dem deport on 17. Na one of them be this one die at the process of deporting, trying to deport him. He died, he passed away. You know, say they have already deported some Nigerians. So this one, this is another group with another plane, and this plane, the plane that this one this one they inside, they didn't deport this the plane, the one that is inside the same plane with this guy. They didn't deport them because why? This guy passed away. Because this guy trying to drag with them because nobody, you know, if you want to be man, just be man here. But he passed away. Rest in peace to him, because this is very, very hard for the people that is living in Europe, you know. This is what Germany is doing, that is they are deporting Africans, you know. And everybody is running for in their life. As you can see this guy now, some people try to blame him. Some people try to blame him. Why did he die? Maybe you don't want me to deport him, he can't die now. This one when he die now, him better pass. If he be say this one when he die, he better pass for him. Because you, as a person who they talk, who want to talk to this guy, who want to blame this guy, you don't really know why this guy come up for country. You understand? Everybody have the same way when he come out for in country. You don't know me how I come out. I don't know how you come out. I don't really know. But waiting all of us get time for mind be say sometimes we are lying, sometimes we are this. Not be everybody they lie. Some people went out from that country because they are in trouble with the government, or they are in trouble with this one or two things, you know. Like me and you know where we come from, like Nigeria, where everybody is cultist. Maybe they are killing them. Maybe you don't want them to be killed. You don't want to, as you don't want to be killed, your family will say, oh, my son, go out from this country. I don't want me you die. You people know all these things, but what all of us always say, we are lying, we want to stay in. No, not everybody. Because it's get the kind of deportation where they will try to deport that person, and they know that if he went to his country and the kind of something when he will face, it will be more better than he die for here. You understand me? So that is what happened to this our brother. But sometimes we try to blame them, try to blame people. You don't blame people. You don't know what happened to him. You don't know what is the problem. You don't know why he died. He tried to drag with them and they die and along the line. So my people, anything where you want to blame person, blame am small. You don't really know what they happen for am. You don't know what they pass through. This Germany now, when it be say they are deporting people, because I know all over the world, they are not deporting for now. Where you talk about America, where you talk about UK, then you talk about many countries, they are not deported because of what? Because of pandemic. Even what is it called? Switzerland, Australia, they are not doing it. Only Germany is doing it now. We don't know why they are doing it. And at the same time, we are living in their country. They say there is lockdown. There is lockdown now. The lockdown means that everybody have to give gap for different. You don't have to come close to one another. You have to give gap. But they are deporting every minute. They are deporting. Many people have been deported since this year. They have deported many people. And you know that this country we come from, called Nigeria or Africa, they don't care about their people. It's the same way where we don't care about ourselves. Because if you care with one another, you know there is pandemic, and now your country, you know, say if dem carry this person come for your country, now you no really know whether he get the corona or he didn't get the corona. You will be accepting these people to your country. If they have corona now, like the same thing they say corona dey now, so those people may have the corona and then bring it to your country, and it will start spreading. But no, you will not think about that one. You only think the money that you make, money they give to you. Because if not the money they give to them, it will not be happening like this. So this guy that died is from Guinea. It's not from Nigeria. It's from Guinea. You understand me? Even Guinea, they are still passing the same thing that we are passing through. Guinea are inside. Ghanaians are inside. Togo are inside. Cameroon are inside. Nigeria are inside. So we are the people, Senegal, Gambia, all of us, we are passing the same through. So people that think that's only Nigeria that is happening to, not only Nigeria, not only all Africa, especially West Africa, that that comes from, you know, from asylum. Now when we they happen to not be saying all the Africa, because many Africans come here with visa. It still they happen to Morocco. It still they happen to, what is it called, Syria. It still they happen to Afghanistan. It still they happen to Iran, Iraq. All of them, they are deporting everybody now. Germany are doing it. And the Syrians, when it be say their document don't expire, their country don't already good, they are still deporting them too. They are not mercy. They give anybody mercy. That they deport everybody. So this one now, when they then come deport them and not really know what happen, they will soon bury them. I sure say na this Friday that we bury him. I will still give you people update about him. You know, I will still give you update about him. That we bury him on this on Friday. I think so. That we bury him on Friday. So even now, where this one now don't die now, believe me, Germany will still stop deporting again. As in their back, their mind is in their back. Their mind they for back. You understand? Their mind they for back. So my fellow Nigerians, my Nigerian people, we know say we get some people when it say they always have bad mouth towards their fellow Nigeria. They always have bad mouth. Where this kind of thing happen, they say, "Na him better pass am." You know, wetin they do the country. They not tell am make he do this. They don't tell am. Don't blame person. You dey hear me so? You go dey blame person, say maybe you get you where you get the document, you get your document, and you see person when e be say that they deport, you dey happy. Your own way may be different. You understand me? Your own way may be different. Maybe one day you feel run to white supremacy, will just use gun kill you. You understand me? You die, but they are not trying to deport you when he kill you. You understand me? When you go to UK many years ago, where terrorist attack was happening, you see some people walking in the street, they shoot them, they die. Or the people that is using motor, they use some motor, enter inside crowd, they kill many people. You are not a Flüchtlinge, you are not a refugee, but this motor kill you. So God have different way to punish anybody that have bad mouth towards him fellow people, because you don't know your turn tomorrow. You may think say you have everything you have today, making mouth, saying, I'm okay, I have the document, I have this, I have that, I'm okay in this country. Your own way may come another way. You dey hear me so? Because this country is not for you. It's not for you. Your own way may become another way. So that is why it be say, if you see anybody when it be say he enter victim of this kind of thing, try to just to sympathize with him or her, so that you don't know when your own come, you will see who will sympathize with you. Don't always give people fault. Or maybe you are living in Italy, you are living in France, you are living in any country you are living, you are okay in that country. You understand me? Don't always do like that. Still sometimes try to sympathize with person, pity somebody. Find a way to have that sympathy in your heart, that this person is passing through this kind of thing. You pray for him. Like I say, you don't know how your own will be coming. So my people, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. On Friday, maybe that we go and bury him. I will still give you people the updates, what's happening there. So thank you so much. I appreciate you all. If today is your first time come across my video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification so that any day, anytime I go live or I post video, you will be the first to see. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Bye bye guys.